4 Weight Loss Hacks. If you are new, please subscribe this channel for regular tips for weight loss. 1. Develop a healthy living mindset. Weight management is more a healthy living mindset rather than a weight loss one. Get into healthy living habits. Try not to focus on how much weight you are losing. 2. Decide to be happy despite your current circumstances. Some people make a decision that they are not going to be happy until they lose X amount of weight or for some other reason. In other words, they need a license in order to be happy. 3. Be yourself. There is no one else like you, so be the best at being you rather than an imitation of someone else. 4. Don't compare yourself with others. Run your own race and let others run their races. People who have a low self-esteem tend to make unfavorable comparisons with others. Check the link in description to get your own diet according to your wish.